Hi friends, my name is Herda. Welcome to Haru and Isho's World. Today I'm gonna make is a mini book. I'm gonna show you like example, which is this one. See, this has lots of pages, but I didn't take lot paper, but it came so much I can't recognize. You can make with this diary, coloring book, anything you want because this has lots of pages. So today's topic is we're gonna make is a small mini book just like this. So come on, let's start. So we are gonna make this mini book. So for that we need is a 2 A4 sheet papers, some glue, one glue, a scissor, and a scale. So now we're gonna get started. So we're gonna take only one paper, and so first we're gonna get started with one paper. Then we're gonna start with this one. So let's start. For this one, we're gonna put our papers here as a standing line. Then we're gonna take our scale and oh my gosh, my glue fell down, and we're gonna draw a line. And where's my pencil? Really, this is not my pen pouch, but I'm gonna take some. Where's the pencil? Okay. Wait. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now I finally got my pencil. Now I'm gonna draw. We're gonna now draw a straight line. That's why we are taking a scale. We're gonna put here. Okay, and draw a line. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do something. Oh my. Man, this has to wait. Got it. Oh my gosh. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna do things here. There we go. Now I draw a straight line. Now we're gonna do is cut where the line which we draw, guys. So we're gonna start cutting it. We need patience to cut. Let's start cutting. I'm not good at cutting because I cut very badly. Still, some of these are destroyed, so I'm gonna cut out like these lines. I missed out, so we're gonna cut it out. All the mistakes. Okay guys, so we got two pieces which I cut in the corner and every side. Very neat. So now we're gonna do is take any one piece in this, and we're gonna do is next we're gonna fold like this. I don't think it's a perfect size. Oh, okay, for the lights. Okay, I think it's not gonna be the perfect size because like this, because I cut the wrong what I'll say for that, like wrong ways, like see. Oh my gosh, I just do very badly, but it's okay. I can fix it. So when we finish folding, like I'll show you. When we have like this, then we're gonna fold it, right? Then when we finish folding, we're gonna fold it again, like this. This should be a correct size, like this. So it just looks like, but it's not like this we're gonna make. So then we're gonna do is open. So we got a shape like this, a shape. If we cut in this middle, we got two. So like this. So but let's wait for it to cut, but let's do that same thing as this. The same thing as we do this paper. So let's do it in this new. Okay. There we go. Oh man, I did really wrong again. Because I am so good. Do like this again. There we go. Now we got it. Now we're gonna open it. Ta-da! So guys, now we got both of them. And then this is gonna be a little bit confused for you because this is a paper. So first of all, I'm gonna show you. First of all, we got a shape like this, like a notebook. So you can see this corner. If we cut in the corner, we'll get it. But wait a minute, look at this corner first. No, I'm gonna cut. Then I'm gonna fix it. So you can see the line. I'm gonna cut. Where's that line? We need patience and cut it very well. It's line. Oh man, I'm gonna miss the line. No, there we go. Now I'm gonna fix it. Ta-da! There we go. Okay, so guys, I got one piece. Ta-da! Oh wait, another piece. Oh, another piece. Get it? Got two pieces because I cut one piece, so it goes to two pieces. Now I'm gonna do that same thing as in this one. So let's do that in this one. Oh my gosh, it's windy. Okay, let's start cutting again. Only two, so like 2 plus 2 equals to 4. But how can we adjust with 4 papers? But we take one more paper before, right? So we're gonna do that again, like this we do just now, as we do it like before. Yeah. So I put that paper here. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna put this in somewhere else, like this. Good. So now we got it. So now, no. Now we're gonna do this again. Wait, let me move this. Like this. So we got it. Now we're gonna fold. Wait, yeah, no, don't like that, okay? Not like that. We're gonna do is like this. No, we're not folding it. Oh, we draw a line. Oh my gosh, I don't know. I got it out. But now you can see some mistakes I do, so I'm gonna cut it out again. look at that, guys. It looks like so. Now it looks like so much a lot. See? Oh my gosh. So we got lots of it, and we are gonna do glue, but before that we need to make sure it's full or folded. There we go. So simple to do these, guys. Like, it's easy steps. Go. 3 more. Oh, there's 1 too. There we go. Finish folding it. Now we're gonna use it. And for first one, when we're getting started, we take a nice paper, because the front we are gonna draw anything we want. So not this one. It's so hard. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna choose this one. Oh, yeah, this one. Now I'm gonna group it into this. Okay, and I choose a nice one. Here's it. And now we're gonna do is open that nice fresh paper. Okay, so guys, we got a nice fresh paper, and we're not gonna stick yet, because now we're gonna take its neatest paper now, and we're gonna put it like this. For that, we're gonna glue it. First, we're gonna glue. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Wait a minute, guys. I'm gonna take this here and put there. Now we're gonna glue it, which is our neat paper. We're gonna glue in this middle, like this. And like that, we're not gonna, so we do it. When we're taking the next one, we're not gonna do it, because we're not sticking like this. So we're gonna we're gonna turn back the paper and stick it like this. There we go. Now we're gonna take our neat paper and stick it where it belongs. Wait, guys. There we go. You can see it's so short, but we can fix it. Then we're not gonna stick like that again, because then we're gonna, oh my gosh, I'm gonna fold it. Okay, so like this way we're gonna open this way. Oh, this way I'm gonna do it. No, this way. Oh, anyway, like that. Okay, so I got a perfect paper. That looks like so funny. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay, now ouch. Now I'm gonna cut where I did the wrong ways, like this here, and some papers. Yeah, this and the down. Some are secreting. Wait. I can see them. There we go. Done. So now we got 2 papers, but really it's now 3 or whatever. Now we're gonna take another piece. Now guys, so we do just before, we're gonna do same as again, but the only thing is you will do like this, but we're gonna take a middle page. When this is the first, we're gonna open it and open it again, and then you can see a straight line. Then we're gonna do as what we do before. So let's do it. so I stick it, but looks like it's so messy, like it's coming out because I stick together. So we better cut, which we make some mistakes like. But my heart says don't give up. Didn't know what I'm saying. There we go. Is that perfect size? Yeah. So now finally I finish it. So now I have lots of pages. Until it's gonna be dry, we're gonna do is design whatever we want. So I'm gonna draw a symbol hearts. Or you can draw anything. You can make this as a diary even, like what I say before when I'm starting the video, like friendship diary, sharing diary, any diary or coloring, drawing, anything like etc. Yeah, etc. So we can. So I'm gonna draw a heart. So I'm gonna draw. I'm not good at making something so big. When I finish this video, I'm gonna do some more details like stars or anything. So that's it. So now we got finally our mini book. Now you can make anything you want. If you want to make a coloring book, it's so easy. Like you can draw. Then if you want to give your friend, you can and they can color it. But if you can do anything. So but I'm gonna do my mini book because I have already one which I show in the first. But it's gonna be still so useful. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell button and like and share. Bye.